Alright, so in the interest of science, here's a comparison with my Kaiser, which has an identical flight controller and a very similar setup. 30 amp Spedix ESCs, this one's running F-60s. Everything else is pretty much the same, obviously, aside from the frame. And its settings are also pretty much identical to the other one. D-Shot 600, 5.5% throttle idle, 8K gyro, 8K PID. This one has dynamic filter engaged. Stock standard PID values. Stock standard gyro soft low pass at 90 and detomb low pass at 100. And all three notch filters have been disengaged. So this copter is running totally on the dynamic filter. And we'll just hop down now here into motors. And we'll run them up without the PID loop. Relatively nice and smooth. These motors are a bit more used than the red bums on the Zero. Now let's try arming the craft. Not a problem. Absolutely beautiful. In my hand, just for comparison. Awesome. Good to go. And back here on the hard surface. Pretty much silent. No resonance, no problems, everything's all good. And I have flown this craft this morning and it flew absolutely beautifully in a hover test line of sight. I expect it to be absolutely fine in FPV. So there you go, it seems to be that my Zero configuration has got a bit of a resonance problem. By the way, I have noted with both of these Matek F405 boards that occasionally when you connect to Betaflight, they don't seem to initialize correctly. Show a CPU load of 0 as opposed to 4% and no cycle time. And also this one, this morning in the field, did the same thing when I plugged the battery in. It didn't initialize properly, but I unplugged it, plugged it back in, and everything was fine. So, yeah, absolutely love these copters, and hopefully I can get my Zero performing just as nicely as this one is. Thanks for watching.